In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Miro. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently give the right people the right kind of access. First, open your Miro board. From your dashboard, click the board you want to share. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct workspace and that you've opened the exact board you intend to share. This helps avoid giving access to the wrong project. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner and click the share button. This opens Miro's sharing panel where all the access controls live. Think of this panel as your control center for who gets in and what they can do once they're there. Now set the access permissions. Start by choosing who can access your board. If you select anyone with the link, your board becomes accessible to anyone who receives that link. This is convenient for quick collaboration, but keep in mind that links can be forwarded, so it's best for content that isn't sensitive. If you prefer tighter control, choose specific people. This option lets you invite individuals directly, so only those people can open the board. Next, decide what level of access to grant. Can view means read only? Viewers can look around but can't change anything. Can comment allows people to leave feedback using comments and mentions without altering the board itself. Great for reviews and approvals. Can edit gives full editing access, allowing people to add, move, or delete content. Choose the lowest level that still lets collaborators do their job. It keeps your board tidy and safe. When you're ready to share, you have two ways to send access. To share via link, click copy link. You can paste that link into your preferred communication channel. Just remember, anyone who receives it will get whatever level you set for link access in the panel. To invite people directly, enter their email addresses in the field provided and click send invites. They'll receive an invitation that matches the permission level you selected. That's all there is to it. Open your board, click share, set who can get in and what they can do, then either copy the link or send direct invites. If you ever need to adjust or revoke access, return to the same share button and update the settings. Changes apply immediately. With these controls, you can move fast while keeping your work protected. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating in Miro.